busy start to the show. So you can see the show is in full swing behind me. We've got a few interviews lined up, so we'll get back to you with those soon. Okay, so I'm now with Martin from David Austin Roses. Nice to meet you, Martin.
Hi. Hello.
So tell us a bit about David Austin. It's now time for the Michael Perry interview. So Michael Perry, aka Mr. Plant Geek, welcome along.
Hey, thanks
for
very
coming.
much. Yeah.
So Michael, tell us about some new stuff. What's happening at the moment? What's going to be happening for the new season? That sort of thing.
Oh, big question. Well, I usually put some trends together myself, and I believe trends don't happen that quickly. I feel like trends tend to last almost 3 or 4 years at a time. Like, we often refresh trends each year, but I think 3 or 4 years is good because they need a little while to bed in, as it were. So.
So next up is a quick chat with Insta account Henry Ag.
Yeah.
Henry, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
So you've been going around the show. What have you found that's been interesting? So I'm at the little birdhouse stand with Liam, and Liam's going to tell us a bit about this new product.
There's the massive marquee, which is absolutely mega.
So what do we have here then?
Well, this is an example of a plant growing well and not growing well. This was the same young cutting planted in the spring in the Easy Grow compost, and this was in a brand leading compost. End of the season, when you tipped it out, that's the size of tuber you've got against that size tuber. So you can imagine how much flower that's going to produce next year compared to that. So it just shows the nutrients that are already in the compost really do a fantastic job in creating a good root system, and then lots of flowers, or tuber is the case here with this begonia.
Excellent. This is the Stiga robot mower doing its thing. So we've come across the hot bin composting stand, so we're going to get an explanation of the product.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here. There'd be nothing worse than making an announcement for an award and nobody here to collect it. So if you'd like to make your way down, please. Other judges have been covertly assessing the stands at the show today. They have submitted all their votes and we have determined a winner. The Bob Maker Best Stand Award goes to, drum roll, HSK Gardening and Leisure. Roisin, are you?
The Garden Press event 2025. New product winner is the Dipping Tank for their 2025